It's 2025 and the world's running out of clean energy. Fossil fuels drying up. Nuclear explosive. Pandas? Wait, I mean zoom out. Bamboo. Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about bamboo bioethanol fuel. So first, what is bioethanol? Bioethanol is a form of ethanol, or ethyl alcohol, made from biological sources like plants instead of synthetic chemical processes. There are two types of bioethanol, first generation and second generation. First gen bioethanol comes from food crops like sugarcane and corn seeds, while second gen bioethanol comes from waste like wood chips and bamboo. According to Repsol Global, the main difference is that advanced or second gen bioethanol is made from plants not made for consumption, making it more sustainable. So, why bamboo? Bamboo is rich in lignocellulose, a renewable resource composed of lignin, cellulose, and hemicellulose. Sugars from this structure are what we use to make bioethanol. Now, let's move on to the steps for harvesting bioethanol from bamboo. For this, we'll be using an illustration from BIS reports for reference. First, we start with lignocellulose, undergoing pre-treatment. This is where the tough bamboo is cut, softened, and broken down, so the structure loosens and the sugar inside becomes easier to access. Second, we have hydrolysis. This is when water molecules help break down chemical bonds. In this case, cellulose is broken down into glucose, a simple sugar, through the use of enzymes that act as biological catalysts in speeding up the chemical reaction. Third is fermentation. Here, microbes, usually yeast, are added and eat the glucose to turn it into ethanol and carbon dioxide. And finally, as mentioned earlier, our main goal is the ethanol. So the last step is distillation, which purifies the mixture through heating it up and cooling it down to separate the ethanol from water and get that clean representation. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you learned not only what bamboo bioethanol is and how it's made, but also why it matters in our fight against pollution. Let's keep pushing towards cleaner energy, one bamboo stalk at a time. Feel free to check out the resources we used for this video, which will be shown on the screen right after this. Thanks again, and see you next time.